Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of 2025 interior design ideas. From bold colors to sustainable living spaces, this year is all about blending style with purpose. So, let's explore. First on our list is the return of minimalism with a warm twist. '25 minimalism embraces soft neutrals, warm woods, and cozy textures. Think of it as minimalist meets hig, with comfort at its core. Next up, bold colors and patterns. This year, designers are also focusing on bold choices, like jewel-toned sofas and statement rugs. And don't be afraid to mix and match for a dynamic look. '25 is also a year of eco-conscious design. Sustainable materials, like reclaimed wood and recycled metals, are making waves. Plus, incorporating biophilic elements, such as lush greenery and natural light, brings life into your space while reducing your carbon footprint. In the kitchen, it's all about personalization and color. Forget boring white cabinets. 2025 welcomes muted greens, navy blues, and terracotta tones. Pair these with unique lighting fixtures and open shelving for a stylish and functional space. Bedrooms are turning into retreat spaces. Layered textiles, dimmable lighting, and soothing earth tones are perfect for creating a relaxing vibe. This year, it's all about designing a sanctuary that feels like a spa. And with remote work still on the rise, the home office gets an upgrade. Ergonomic furniture, vibrant accents, and clever storage solutions turn your workspace into a productivity haven. Twenty 2025 is shaping up to be a year of innovation and personality in interior design. So, which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exterior and interior design inspiration. And see you in the next video.